Hi guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to talk about common causes and special causes of variation. I'm Astrid Petilla and this is another lesson of our class Sixth Sigma. So, as you know, in all processes variation exists, but there are two kinds of these variations. In a control chart, we have data which is spread in a certain range, which is called the process average. And also we have upper control limits and lower control limits. There are data which is closer to mean, but in addition there are data which is not. These variations are called common causes and special causes. Common causes due to the normal variation and special causes out of control point. Common causes are given in a natural way for the conditions of 6M. These are inherent to the current characteristic of the process and are difficult to identify and eliminate. By the other hand, we have special causes of variation. These are caused by special circumstances in the process, such as a failure of machine, maybe a bad quality of materials, and this can be identified and also could be eliminated. For example, if our process is frying potatoes and we measure how much fried are our potatoes, the results could be variable because chef do not measure time since he or she not have a timer. Also, the intensity of heat will be changing. So, some potatoes will be crisper than others. But if we obtain black French fries, this is a special variance because potatoes have been over-frying. Maybe because chef was cooking other food and he forgot completely that potatoes. Thus, what appropriate action we could take? In common case variation, recognize that the process has an inherent capability which will not change unless the process is changed. So, we must work to reduce variation due to the common causes. We do not react to individual occurrences or try to explain the difference between high and low numbers, since these are variations proper of the process. So, if we want to improve, we need to find out what is changing. So, we need to identify what to change. According to special causes of variation, first, we need to identify and study the signable causes. We need to react to the special causes. But we could have negative impacts and also positive impacts. In case of negative impacts, we need to identify ways to prevent it from recurring or develop a plan to minimize its impact. If the signal cause have positive impacts, we need to build into the process. So, to improve, we need to find out what changed in order to identify these special causes of variation. Thank you very much, and I hope that you find useful this video.